Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2020 Vita. It's a Mercedes chassis, as you can see, which is a diesel. It's pretty neat coach right here. Power awning. This is a big, longer than average, power awning. LED lights. You got it all in here. Come on in, let me show you a couple of features. Of course, as you walk in, it's a very welcoming coach. Actually, you got the hide a bed on top or storage, what have you. 2 seats here, right here. They swivel it, come around. You can visit. Nice screen for your backup camera. It's pretty cool. Nice touch from Mercedes. You got this dinette. It turns into a bed. Pretty cool. Over here, we got your TV, and you got oven. No oven. Stove and a microwave down here. So, convection oven, yeah. So look at this sink here. I like this feature. Look at that. It's pretty nice. Lacks a little bit of counter space, but maybe we can get you an extender right here. As you can see, this is a corner bed. Okay, so corner bed. Lots of storage in here. Look at that. Pretty cool. I like the fridge. It's a pretty neat fridge, and look at that. Nice. Okay, sink is outside, shower, bathroom right here. Okay, pretty nice, good size. I mean, for the size of this coach, it's pretty cool. All right, let's go outside and show you more features. This thing does not lack any storage, by the way, and the reason is that corner bed gives you this big storage back here. Yeah, that's that's the idea behind that corner bed, so it gives you more outside. And as we go around, of course, we're gonna see the ladder right here, backup camera. Ladder means it's a walk-on roof. You can check on things, see what's going on. Of course, the tow package right there. It's pretty neat. We come around, you got some hookups here. This is your slide out. That's where the dinette is with a topper. So there's a lot of information available in this coach. Please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.